Good morning, everyone. My name is Sagarika, and I welcome you all to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss something about a very different topic altogether, which is about higher studies abroad, particularly Taiwan. So, if I'm going to ask, if the people who are watching, if you are a parent, if I'm going to ask, if you are going to choose a country for your son and daughter, which country you are going to choose? If you are a student, if you are watching, if I'm going to ask which country you want to go for higher studies. But obviously, the answer will be either US or UK or Canada, Australia, Ireland. But do you think going to these countries, paying 1 crore of rupees for the tuition fee, and end of the day, what kind of opportunities you are going to get? Do you think spending 1 crore of rupees is everyone's cup of tea? Because people who are looking for higher studies, they already paid a lot of money for their bachelors in India. Here in India, people are following a trend only. If I as a mother, if I'm going to say I want to send my son to some country, okay, I can, like, people normally see, okay, my neighbor's son is in US, my sister's daughter is in Canada, she is in Australia. It becomes a status symbol actually. But end of the day, what matters, if you want to be a market leader for the next 50 years, we have to think very wisely. Like, which country I should go so that I can be a market leader, and what kind of course I should choose. Okay. So, it's keeping in mind the current scenario, everyone is aware that the economic power has been shifted from west to east. Now the Asian countries are the emerging countries where the future is all about, including India. I can tell you about a hidden destination, okay, so which is Taiwan. Not many people are aware about it. Right now, lot of many of the Indian students are going to Taiwan for their higher studies. uh, the smartphones that we are using, the laptops and systems we are using, inside that the chips are there. Have you ever thought which country is the highest producer of these ICs and chips? It's Taiwan. If you are aware about the QS World Ranking of the universities, the Taiwanese universities are much better ranking than our Indian IITs also. Here in India, going to an IIT is a dream for many of the students. Not everyone can go to IITs. But if you work a bit about Taiwan and research, you can go to a much better ranking university than our Indian IITs also. So the reason why people choose Taiwan, because of the high quality education, affordability, then cost of living is too less, and it's a tech hub, because Taiwan is a technologically very advanced country. Okay, so we are far behind technology. Now, India and Taiwan have joined hands together for semiconductor manufacturing. Okay, so lot of Taiwanese companies are investing in India now. They are looking for people who are having Taiwan experience. We always have to think, we have to go with the flow, but keeping in mind what will be there after 4 steps, then we have to take the next step. We will discuss about the in detail about the higher studies in Taiwan, what are the opportunities, what are the scholarship, how we are going to apply, and the cost of living, the culture, everything we are going to discuss in our future videos. So just stay tuned and keep watching our next videos. Thank you.